If you need to add an ICS file to Google Calendar, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. An ICS file is a common calendar file format used for sharing events, meetings, reminders, and schedules, and importing it into Google Calendar is one of the easiest ways to keep everything organized in one place. So whether you received an event invite, a work schedule, or a personal calendar export, this method will help you add it in just a few clicks. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Google Calendar tutorials just like this. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This is important, especially if you manage multiple calendars or use both a personal and work account. Once Google Calendar is open, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. This is the settings menu where Google Calendar keeps all of its advanced options and import tools. After clicking the gear icon, choose settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the full Google Calendar settings page. On the left-hand menu, scroll through the options until you find import and export. Click that because this is the section specifically designed for adding calendar files like ICS files into your account. Now under the import section, you'll see an option that says select file from your computer. Click that button and a file picker window will open on your device. Find the ICS file you want to import, select it, and then confirm your choice. If you downloaded the file from an email or received it from someone else, make sure you know exactly which file you're importing so you don't add the wrong events to your calendar. Next, you'll need to choose which calendar you want the events added to. Use the drop-down menu and select the correct calendar. This is really useful if you have multiple calendars because you may want work events to go to one calendar and personal events to go to another. Double-check this part before continuing since the import will place the events into the calendar you choose. Once the file is selected and the destination calendar is set, click Import. Google Calendar will then process the ICS file and add the events to the selected calendar automatically. Depending on how many events are in the file, this may take a few moments. After it finishes, you should see the imported events appear on your calendar right away. If the events don't show up where you expected, go back and check that you selected the correct file and the correct calendar. Also make sure the ICS file wasn't corrupted or incomplete. In most cases though, the import works smoothly and gives you a fast way to bring events into Google Calendar without manually entering them one by one. So that's how to add an ICS file to Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Google Calendar tips, productivity guides, and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.